Beavish Do Buddies, this is Vetter's Farmstead. My name's Tyler. We have plenty of work to do today, so let's get after it. I feel lighter. Sarah gave me an old haircut last night. I don't look any better, but I feel better. So I guess that's all that matters. It's a little chilly this morning on the old bald noggin, but it feels so nice. We're gonna open up a little bit more area for the ducks. See if we can get them some dry ground. See if I can get stuck. Try my best. I'm not gonna say it's impossible, but it's freaking hard. It's too marshy. I have to change my mind. I am freaking wet. I'm not defeated, but I gotta go back to the drawing board. Crap. How you fellers doing this morning, Junebug? Oh, you got scratchy butch? You got itchy? You guys are rooting it up over there in the corner. Pigs will be pigs, even the little fellers. Ain't buddies. I was talking to a friend of mine who's a milk farmer, goat farmer, and he said we won't have to dump it for that long, for 30 days or whatever that I figured we would. He says 3 days after you're done giving them penicillin shots, you can start drinking again, start using it again. So that's probably what we're gonna do. 5 days of penicillin shots, twice a day, and then so 14 days we can start using the milk again. So for now we're just gonna dump it. He said we can give it to the kids, but we're not giving the kids milk anymore. They're weaned off, so we're just gonna dump it. We're not gonna give it to any of the pigs or the other dogs or anything. So it is what it is. At least she'll get better. She's already acting better, looks a lot better, so she's not near as lethargic and just laying around. So, good sign. Ready, Oreo? You need feed, you said, Sarah? What the hang? Leaf. Yep, there's no blood. They're just nice and steady. Good goat. Good goat.
Good girl. You're such a good girl.
Eating good, Oreo? That's a good sign. Ain't eating that good sweet feed. Well, we gave her shot of penicillin, so we'll get along with it. We don't really know what we're doing, but we do. We're doing whatever we can.
More now than 2 years ago.
Yeah, Sarah just said we know now more than we did 2 years ago, and we do. We learn a lot. We've learned a lot. So if you can't learn, like Sarah learned to hang up her laundry. Look at that. I didn't hook up the dryer yet, but at least I'm gonna have clean pants. Ha! Me and my bestest co-pilot, Sarah, we're taking a load of fence posts down to a guy in Mechanicsburg for somebody, and I'm gonna take her to Hobby Lobby, buy her some good stuff. Ain't Sarah? Ain't that exciting? No comment? Yeah, she says. I'm getting lunch. That's what I'm gonna do. Chick-fil-A, the best place for lunch. Okay, we made our delivery to the $1 million mansion down here. Whew. Every time I deliver something like this, I am so out of my place. Their doormat's worth more than me. Well, let's go for lunch, Sarah. She's miserable. She's hangry. Still wouldn't trade her for nothing. Traffic! I hate coming to the city. Chick-fil-A on the dash. Well, we just got done milking Oreo out for the second time. We're trying to keep up with it and giving her penicillin twice a day. Jeez. I almost got runned over by Blue. Oh well. I think me and Sarah are going to sit here by the pond and just watch the sunset go down. It's better than TV any night. So we're skipping supper. We ate too much Chick-fil-A. Nice tall glass of lemonade, and that's about it for the night. See you in the wash. See you, love you, bye.